Yeah, Chael Sonnen had two shots at Anderson Silva for the middleweight championship. He came up short both times. But if you look at how those fights came out, the first 4 rounds of the first fight, Chael Sonnen was dominant in those. I mean, Anderson Silva wasn't even in his league. And then the 5th round, Anderson Silva caught Chael with a triangle choke and won the fight, forced the submission. In the second fight, it only went 2 rounds, but Chael won the first round of that fight, was looking really good. Chael was an Olympic alternate wrestler, has the terrific skills right there with that wrestling. And Jon Jones is a wrestler too, but Chael's on a different level as wrestling. So, you have to favor Jon Jones. I mean, he's got so many skills. He's that rare guy out there. He's got an 84-inch wingspan, which is the biggest in UFC history, but he makes the light heavyweight division. Those kicks are going to be coming in. It's going to be tough for Chael to get in to get the takedown because he's going to be starting from so far away. But it's another matchup that's interesting. I think Jon Jones has to be the favorite in that fight, and he's going to be my pick to win the fight. But certainly, I, unlike a lot of people, do think Chael has something of a chance to win because of his wrestling ability.